up, Panthers? Welcome to your class assembly. I'm your host and your president, Bethany Ballesteros. Thank you. Folks, we got an amazing assembly for you today, so get real comfy. To start us off, I'd like to make a deal with you all. If you stick with us the whole way, I promise we'll have activities in the video. Alright? Deal or no deal? I know this pandemic has been tough. We went from living in lockdown to living with restrictions, and now we're back in lockdown, but with school. All of this change has made our brains scrambled. I'm sorry that these times are tough, but you gotta get your head in the game and push through. In these tough times, we need to find a way to come together and overcome these challenges. Senior year is a significant year. It's our last year with childhood friends, our last year before freedom, and last year at MHS. Soon, graduation will be among us, and we will have to face some crossy roads. COVID-19 has turned the tides and changed the game for the whole world. Although our time together is shortened, the Council and I will work extremely hard to provide opportunities for people of all situations. We want to help you bring your A game as we head into senior year. Make the most of this year by doing the things that you love. With all of this free time, there's an infinite amount of things that you can do. Don't sit back and let others control you. Don't allow your current situations to put your dreams in jeopardy. Take charge. Be the game changers.
First, let's welcome our class advisor, Mr. Wagner.
Panthers, you have made it to senior year. High school has been this crazy fusion of a marathon and obstacle course thrown in your direction, but you guys have conquered all of these obstacles so far in stride. Unfortunately, potentially the most daunting obstacle stands between you and the finish line, but that's okay. Life is tough, and so are you. Finish strong. Like anything else, finish strong. My biggest advice to you guys, check on each other, cheer each other on, be each other's biggest fans. Celebrate every single accomplishment because we all need that right now. We got this, you got this. We all miss you guys very much. Know that we'll always have your backs. It's been an honor to be your class advisor for these years. If you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. Take care.
Next, we'd like to welcome Mr. Matsuba, our amazing VP.
What's up, seniors? Welcome back. I'm excited to be back. I hope you are too. It's been kind of a different year, but let's make the best of it. And next thing you know, it'll be graduation. Have a good one.
Next, we'd like to welcome our class counselors, Mrs. George and Mrs. Yala.
Welcome back, seniors. We hope you had a good start to your distance learning.
I'm Mrs. George.
I'm Mrs. Yala.
And just like in our favorite game of Jenga,
making smart moves
can lead to amazing results. Don't forget to always wear your mask
and to wash or sanitize your hands.
Have a great year.
Bye.
Next, we'd like to introduce our college and career counselors, Mrs. Strock and Mrs. Yamamoto.
Hi, class of 2021. It's Mrs. Schrock, College and Career Counselor for students with the last names that begin with letters A through K and are in the brown track. My favorite game? Playing cards, speed, or crazy eights. I'm here to help you turn your plans into action steps that will help you accomplish your goals and your dreams. Together, we can make this a great school year.
Hey Panthers, it's Mrs. Yamamoto, College and Career Counselor, working with Team Gold or the L through Z students. My favorite game growing up was a board game called Life, which is pretty funny because that's what I do every day. I talk with your students about your lives and your plans. Remember, seniors, to stay positive, be flexible, keep an open mind and an open heart, and together we can get through this. So I look forward to a busy, exciting year and working with all of you, whether virtually or hopefully together in person one day. Just remember that I'm always just a phone call or an email away. Take care, guys.
Hey Panthers, my name is Bethany Ballesteros and I'm your class president.
Hi everyone, my name is Kayla and I am your vice president.
Hi, my name is Elizabeth Johnson and I'm the class of 2021 treasurer.
Hey Panthers, I'm Caitlin and I'm the corresponding secretary.
I'm Jiana, Abela Nakashima, your recording secretary.
Hi, I'm Andrew and I'm your blood drive chairperson.
Hey, I'm Josh. I'm your class of 2021 Service and Appreciation Chair.
Hi guys, I'm Jannai and I'm your senior class homecoming chair.
Welcome back everyone, my name is Taetum and I'm your senior luau chairperson.
Hi guys, I'm Kammi and I'm your senior prom chair.
Hi, I'm Ardyn and I'm your class of 2021 grad chair.
Hey guys, my name is Teah and I'm a member of our class council.
Hi, I'm Jason Tashiro and I'm a student council member.
Hi, I'm Darian Takushi and I'm a student council member.
Hi everyone, I'm Tristen and I'm a council member.
Hi guys, I'm Casey and I'm a council member.
Hi, my name is Sofia Carmona and I'm a senior class council member.
Don't forget, seniors, our class colors is navy blue and black and our class mascot is the panther.
Hi, we're going to be talking about this year's Panther merchandise. First up, we have Josh wearing our black senior year t-shirt. He can take this shirt home for only $10. Next, we have Elizabeth wearing our white senior year t-shirt, also sold for the price of $10. We also have Jannai sporting Panther joggers, not only comfortable and trendy, these can be purchased for $30.
Need a bag? We got you covered. Buy a reusable Panther bag for just $3.
Don't forget to wear your mask! Panther masks are now available for only $4.
Lastly, we have Sofia. Since we have some leftover junior year shirts, you can buy these for the amazing price of only $5.
Hey seniors, this is a reminder for those who are eligible to donate blood to any local community blood drive. If you are unsure if you are eligible, then refer to this table for the height and weight requirements. Through your donations, you will save 3 lives. Not only that, you are able to earn a cord for graduation if you donate blood enough times. If you donate 3 times, you will earn a pin. Donate 4 times and you will earn a red cord. Donate 5 times and you will earn a double gold and red cord. To earn points towards a cord, there is an extra requirement to donating this year. When you donate to a local blood drive, you will need to give Midline High School's sponsor number 359 in order for your donation to count towards a blood drive cord, or simply mention that you are a Midline High School student to earn credit. You can make an appointment by calling 808-848-4770 or by visiting the Blood Bank of Hawaii website. Finally, for those who are interested in joining the Blood Drive Committee, we will return to you with more information. Due to distance learning and COVID-19, we're unable to run the committee the way we're used to, so keep an eye out for updates.
We're almost there, seniors. It's time to celebrate us and all of our accomplishments throughout the years. No matter what our special day may look like, let's keep our spirits high and push through. Join the graduation committee.
Hey Panthers, interested in winning class gear and other fun prizes? Make sure to participate in class events to earn entries in our giveaways. Winners will be notified by email.
Hey seniors!
Hey seniors!
Hey seniors!
Being the big cats on campus,
we are excited to experience all of our senior activities together.
As your chair,
we will do our best to ensure a memorable senior year.
Despite all of these new challenges,
we are all in this together.
So keep your chins up and don't forget to schedule your senior portraits.
It's by October 11th.
Let's have a great senior year, Panthers.
Hey seniors, please remember to be checking your school Gmails. Important emails are sometimes sent out by our advisor, Mr. Wagner, who provides important information about senior requirements, such as senior portraits. Also, look out for emails from ASMHS Trojans, which offers you important updates about the school year and other events.
Make sure to follow our class IG at Milani2021 to stay updated with all things Panther related. We post reminders, event highlights, challenges, giveaway opportunities, and so much more.
Hey Panthers, if you haven't already, go and download the Remind app. This is the class code to join, which can also be found on our Instagram. Inside of our announcements, we have things such as activities, schedules, reminders, specific senior events and class gear, stuff like that. Also join your other classes' reminds to stay up to date.
Seniors, your opinions matter. We want to know what you think represents our class the best. Please make sure to scan the QR code on the bottom right of your screen to fill out our Google form. This form includes the first round of voting for our graduation song as well as our class motto.
Try your best to guess these brain teasers and don't forget to DM your results to our class Instagram.
Hey Panthers, our second activity is a community and home scavenger hunt. There will be 2 different scavenger hunt opportunities, one at home and one around Milani. Both will require you to find 4 different items. Complete these riddles and send a selfie of you with this item. We will begin with the home item. Are you ready? Who lives in a blank under the sea? Now in the community, books, books, and more books. This is the place you always see but never go to. Don't forget to send in your selfies to this email or our Instagram for the next riddle. Remember, every time you participate in class activities, you will be entered in our giveaways. Thanks for playing!
I hope you all enjoyed our assembly, and I can't wait to see who participates in the activities. I encourage you all to continue to be adaptable to the unforeseen circumstances. In our game of life, things are thrown at us unexpectedly, and we have to be prepared for everything. Remember to stay safe, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay true to your black and blue. Game on, Panthers!